Hello everybody. So in this one, we're just going to go over negation and double negatives. So, which can kind of be jam-packed into one because it's all sort of different functions of the same thing. So, in Papiamento, to do a negation, like I don't have this, you just simply say no. So, mi no tiene placa. I don't have money. I don't have any money. Mi no tiene placa. How would you say they don't have any money? Nan no tiene placa. Nan no tiene placa. How would you say the tired man doesn't have money? Canse, so canse is tired. Sorry, cansa is tired. Cansa homber no tiene placa. Cansa homber no tiene placa. So it's pretty simple here. So now we can move on to double negative. So no nada is a construction here. No nada. So he doesn't have any. He doesn't have a house. He doesn't. Yeah. Or I have nothing. Excuse me. So I would just say the male teacher doesn't have anything. Menor de clase no tiene nada. How would you say they you all aren't eating anything? Boso no come nada. Boso no come nada. Or Boso no te come nada. Boso no te come nada. No te come nada. Okay, and if you want to say none, you have nothing, you don't have any of something, you say no, ningún. So no goes before the verb, ningún goes after the verb. So if you say, I don't see a black cat. I don't see a black cat. Un preto pushi. Mi no tawak. Ningún preto pushi. I don't see a tired dog. Or you don't see a tired dog. Bo no tawak. Un cansa cacho. Bo no tawak un cansa cacho. Anybody, that's a pretty useful one. Ningún gente. So say, how would you say that anything? Ningún gente, yeah. How would you say nobody? Ningún gente. How would you say that the people cannot see anybody? Or sorry, how do you say the man doesn't see anybody? El hombre no tawak ningún gente. How would you say the girl doesn't see anybody? Mucha mujer. Mucha mujer no tawak ningún gente. Ningún gente. How would you say the teacher is not teaching any Spanish? So, ella frau de clase or emener de clase no instruí ningún hispano. The teacher is not teaching us any Spanish. How would you say the people have no money? Gente no tiene ningún placa. The people have no money. Okay. So that covers all of the grammar concepts from lesson 3. Now we're going to start lesson 4. Thank you for watching.